Hello viewers and welcome to this tutorial on how to download games on your computer. If you don't know how to download games on your computer, this video will give you the guides and steps to download games on your computer. So let's get at it. To download games on your computer, head on to your Microsoft Store app and click on Gaming. It will take you to the games category where you can see your favorite games and download them. Scroll down and click on your favorite games. My favorite games are car games, which are the Alpha game and the Floriza. Tell me your favorite game in the section below. In this video, I'm not going to be using car games. I'll be using any games that is available. So the game that is available is Roblox. Click on it. Now, to download the game, click on get the game you want to download. And that's it for today's tutorial on how to download games on your computer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.